Hi, my name's Alex Copeland and I work with Richard Fairburn and the Online Success Model team. And this is video number 7 in our Pinterest course. In this video, we'll go over the anatomy of the image. What can I actually put in this image? And is there a sort of blueprint you can follow? Well, the great news is yes, there is. Now you can get creative, of course. That's the whole point of Pinterest. But here are a few must-haves when doing this to get that click. When you're putting something on Pinterest, the image should always show the end result or desire in a high quality image. It should show whoever you are targeting what they want to create. For example, a lasagna image that looks fantastic, body sculpting for keep fit, a cool looking car for custom auto enthusiasts. It needs to show the end result or desire. But it also wants to give them curiosity to click. You want them to get interested and curious and click through to the next step of your process. So this means it's important not to let them see the whole solution in the image so that they have to click through. For example, don't spell out the whole lasagna recipe or the complete fitness workout on the initial image. You want them to know that they can get this result, but then click through to the rest of your content to actually see the process. The best way to do this is to have some sort of common ground to start from. And you can get this by using the tips before where you get the avatar or your audience and speak as if you were talking directly to them. Now, call to action text or CTA is also very important. You need to tell them what to do and what they should expect when they click. For example, click here to see the full recipe. Try and keep this call to action to a few words as they will be scanning all of the pictures quite fast on Pinterest. By choosing a great looking image, the size, etc., there's a good chance they're going to stop on yours and then they need to know what to do next within an instant. This way, they'll save it and share it as well, and others will also know what to do because you've said so on your call to action. Of course, alongside the pictures, you also need a good description so you know what it is they're looking at or looking at the concept of. This is why it's important again to know your target audience and mention certain things about them. Let's go back to the diabetic theme example. You can use the terminology of that particular audience, or tell them how great it tastes even though there's no sugar. Or for example, if you're about saving money, it's some sort of budgeting niche, then you could tell them how much this would save them. Again, use the terminology that they use within their own circle of friends and audience. You could describe the end result and how tasty, rewarding, easy it is to do. But just make sure not to break the rule about not giving it all away up front. You want to make them fall in love with the idea and then click through to find out how. By doing this and making sure that they know what to expect on the other side, you'll be able to increase your conversions and show people you are genuine and build trust. Now, with a call to action and the description leading through to your content, there is an element of copywriting in there. You want to make it sound as appealing as possible so that they want to know more and click through. If you're managing to do this and you're putting some effort into this, you are well ahead of the game, as not many people do this. Now, the visual is still obviously a huge part of this whole process. As we said before, Pinterest is about eye candy, but combined with a great description and call to action, you will be a Pinterest powerhouse. Now, in the next video, we're going to show you how you can do a fantastic reverse engineering hack to find out exactly what's working.